everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. In order to understand Bonus Act better, imagine you're working in a small factory and you've put in all your hard work in a year. Your boss announces that he would be giving bonus to everybody in the factory because the company did well. But what if the company doesn't do well? That's when the Payment of Bonus Act 1965 comes in place. It guarantees a minimum bonus for workers so that your hard work is always rewarded. Who gets the bonus? The law applies to employees who work in factories, 10 or more employees, and if an establishment, then it should be 20 or more employees. So now I'll tell you what this establishment refers to. Establishment is nothing but business, shops, or any organization that provides services. To get the bonus, you also have to work at least 31 days during the year and also earn less than 21,000 per month. Also, there must be at least 5 years from the start of the company. So if it is a new organization or a startup, it should at least be 5 years for them to give you the bonus. How much bonus do you get? Minimum of 8.33% and maximum of 20%, depending on the profit level the company is making. When do you get the bonus? So the company calculates how much profit they made during the year and then they pay the bonus. Bonus must be paid within 8 months after the year ends. So it's somewhere near November, December. Usually Diwali comes during that time, and that is why most of the companies in India pay bonus during Diwali. What if the company doesn't make any profit? Even if the company doesn't make any profit or is in loss, it should still give you the bonus of minimum 8.33%. What happens if you get into trouble? If you break the company's rule or you're fired from serious misconduct, that is when you lose your bonus of the year. What if the company doesn't pay you the bonus? If the company refuses to pay the bonus or violates the law, they can be fined or taken to the court. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 says if you work hard in a company, then you should be rewarded with bonus as a thank you gift. The Bonus Act makes sure that everyone gets their fair share of bonus for helping out, even if the company is not making enough profit. So it's a way to say thank you to the workers for the hard work they put in during the year, and it helps make things fair for everyone.